Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The holidays are here, which means it's time to give gifts, get gifts, and buy gifts for yourself. That being said, today I'm doing a holiday gift guide for all things beauty sets. I've gotten so many in PR over the past couple of weeks, and I've been saving them to share with you guys in case you're needing some help, some inspo. Before we get started, I have to put you on one of my holy grail hair products that I've been literally loving on a weekly basis. Since I'm pregnant, I can't really dye my hair that much. So the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up has been my best friend when it comes to covering my hair, covering my roots, making sure it looks nice and polished, ready on the go for any occasion. So let me show you real quick how I use it. I've partnered with L'Oreal Paris to show you why Magic Root is my go-to temporary root touch-up spray. You guys can tell my roots are fierce and gray, and this spray covers them all instantly. Magic Root Cover Up seamlessly blends into my hair color. It dries really fast, making no mess. It's also water resistant and it leaves down no residue, so if you need to wear this for a long period of time, it's got you covered. The before and after is giving salon-like results. It makes me so confident I can just step out the door. Before and after results are actually insane. Literally part my hair anywhere that I want to, and I'm ready for the day. Also makes a great stocking stuffer gift too. Let's get into the holiday bundle gift guides. First, we're gonna start with some drugstore. When I saw this, I literally was like, I think I'm keeping it for myself, but I do want to do a giveaway for you guys, so make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram because I'll be posting it there, the rules and everything. Here we have the Morphe Rebellious brush set. It comes with 6 brushes. Morphe brushes are probably like my favorite from the drugstore ever. The ones I use right now are from the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe collab. The bristles are amazing and also very affordable. So here we have 6 brushes, which is staple for like the everyday girl that doesn't really do a lot of makeup or has like her staple makeup routine. She just needs to get the face on. That's it. Here we have dual-sided powder puffs. There we go. I do love the color. I want to open it, but then I don't because I want to give it to you guys. I'm not gonna open it, but I'm just here to show you guys. For $28, that's barely the price of one brush at like Sephora. This one right here for $30 is such a steal. It comes with 4 products and only 2 are not full size, which is the powder and the setting mist. If you haven't tried this Morphe setting mist, it is such an OG product. Not only does it set your face beautifully, but works really great on eyeshadows, technique, all that stuff. It comes with a full-size lipstick and a full-size lip liner, and it is in the shade Whipped, so it's in universal nude shade. That's gonna look good on mostly all skin tones. I love how also nice and compact it is, so easy to wrap and a great stocking stuffer as well. I feel like if you're gonna commit and get the entire bundle as a gift, might as well go ahead and add the eyeshadow too. It has shimmer shades, some matte shades, a 12-pan eyeshadow palette. You cannot go wrong with this. You do have some nice warm tones for every day. And if you're gifting to somebody that loves to play with color, you get the best of both worlds. We have 2 gifts from Milk Makeup. These are great stocking stuffers as well. And honestly, if you're gifting to someone that's a makeup lover and they haven't tried new products, getting minis is the best way for them to try something out before they actually commit and buying it. This one is such a good bundle because it comes with both the Hydro Grip Primer and the Hydro Grip Primer with the shimmer in it. I do love both formulas, but I really do love the original one. If you know that person wants the Hydro Milk Grip Primer, just get this because you basically get 2 for the price of 1. And with this primer, you only need just the tiniest amount, so it should last enough time anyways. And then here we have this little bag right here. It comes with a starter pack, the complete jelly skin routine. It comes with the cooling jelly skincare stick and the hydrating jelly serum stick. So the watermelon and the cooling one, I tried both. I really love them. Again, very easy, friendly, beginner's makeup if you're looking to buy for someone that loves beauty. When I tell you I have endless amounts of these hair ties from Slip, they're literally all I use. I completely took out all of my regular old rubber bands hair ties, and if I'm not using Slip, I'm using some kind of like stretchy ones, but basically these are the ones that I use from day to day to keep my hair nice and healthy. They come in such a big variety of colors. They even come in like a blonde tone, reds, browns, blacks, so you can get it for someone that likes to match their hair ties to their hair color, or if you're feeling festive, they have holiday bundles, reds, greens, all the fun ones, even pink ones. I actually would love this as a gift if somebody was giving it to me, and it's something that you're gonna use literally every single day. Who doesn't love Summer Fridays? I think their holiday bundles, their gift sets are some of the best ones because they usually put in bestsellers in all of their holiday gifts. Here we have the holiday trio. It comes with the jet lag mask, which is like their iconic hydrating mask that you could do all over your face. And then it comes with 2 of their lip balms in the scents vanilla and cocoa. They're also scented, so great for the scented beauty girl lover. And also the holiday season, you get some skincare as well as some lip products. Definitely a really good steal. This retails for $48. And then I really do like this bundle because this is something that I would personally like. We have a moisturizer, a cream blush, and we have one of their lip butter balms as well. This is Pink Sugar. I absolutely love it. And these are actually their new blushes. I believe this might be a full size for the blush. So that's pretty good. And then you get the Cloud Dew Gel Moisturizer for $38. This is such a steal because I think the moisturizer is probably around the same price as $38. So you're getting 2 extra products. You're literally using this to do basically your half of your face essentially. So I think this is also a really good deal. The sun's creeping up. It's about to get on my face. For the fragrance lover, Ellis Brooklyn is one of my favorite go-to fragrances that I've owned for many, many years. A lot of their scents are some of my staple ones, especially Miami Nectar. I went to an event with them earlier this year, and this is like the perfect summer fragrance, and as well as the guava. So I feel like even though you're gifting a holiday gift, they can use it for spring and summer as they are more of those kind of scents. $35 for 2 perfumes. That's a steal. Fragrances can be really pricey. They are a mini size, like regular one, but it's good for someone to try out a fragrance before they commit and get it. So for $35, getting 2 little bottles, it's a good deal. Here we have another lip gloss set. I'm a lip girly and I just love anything lips, so that's why, oh hi Trooper. Hi. That's why I rounded up lip products for you guys. Here we have the Lip Edit. It comes with 3 shades. These are tinted lip oils, so they're not going to be as harsh as the colors you see here. They're just going to give you a nice little tint for the girl that doesn't like to wear lipstick or matte or anything like that. This will be such a good gift for her to just apply with some lip liner. Sir. Up next, we have some body care, Salt and Stone. I don't think my mom's gonna watch my YouTube video. She don't think she watches it like that. She'll probably watch this one. So I actually went and got her Salt and Stone because she loves it so much. And I feel like also when you know somebody loves a certain brand, it's fun to get them a gift bundle because they may try a new scent, a new shade of something. So this one right here is their mini body wash discovery set. I feel like for body care, buying minis is almost like the go-to anyways because you want to have minis to be able to travel with. As somebody that travels a lot, they're a jet setter. So my mom loves to cruise and she loves to be out and about. She spends the night at my house a lot, so she always has like a travel toiletry bag on her, packed at all times. So I ended up getting her some of these and like some fragrance ones. So here we have the body wash one, which by the way, if you haven't tried Salt and Stone and you want to elevate your body wash experience from just like drugstore, going to Target or Walmart, like, which is nothing wrong with that, but if you want, I want to elevate your body wash experience, start with a brand like Salt and Stone. You're gonna be in love. And then here we have the deodorant set as well, and I'm like, this is really good because deodorant runs out pretty fast. And here you have literally 5 mini deodorants, and these are the solid stick, so they're not gonna run out as much as like the bar ones. So yeah, these are actually so good. I've owned mostly all of them and they smell amazing, work really well. Some of the notes are bergamot, saffron, cedar, neroli, basil, black rose, oud, santal, vetiver. These are all really like nice, chic fragrances. You cannot go wrong with Salt and Stone. Another holiday gift would be like these Medicube face masks. Everybody's raving about them. They're actually really good. And again, a good stocking stuffer or a great add-on to a gift. They have so many ones from Medicube, Biodance. I'll link all my favorite ones down below for you guys. And they usually come with like 4 or like 6 in each pack. So you're getting your money's worth, and it's something that every single person's going to love and can use. Guys, I absolutely love Elemis. And I wanted to keep this for myself, but I think I'm actually gonna gift it because I already have all these products. But they have all their bestsellers in here. They have the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, the serum, the marine creams and moisturizer, and then here we have the resurfacing facial pads. Great for gentle exfoliation for every other day, depending on your skin type. Elemis is really good for sensitive skin and addresses mainly all of your skincare issues. I've been using them for years, and they have an Aston Martin collab. Hello. This will also be a good gift for, let's say, a guy that loves skincare or that loves to take care of himself, because it's like more of a manlier like gift bag, and it's like a car brand. Hello. It's basically a rejuvenating skincare routine. I should have done a gift guide for him, but the thing is, like, my husband is my manager, so he gets to see every little piece of content that I do. So conflict of interest there. But I would definitely give this to my husband if he wasn't my husband or he wouldn't do what he does for me. But yeah, great gift for him as well. Last but not least, we have some L'Occitane. They literally spoil me every single holiday, and I always re-gift it because they send me so much and I'm able to give back. But guys, some of my favorite body care products here, and especially now being pregnant, like I've been using L'Occitane like literally every single night. I love their fragrances, their skincare, their hair care, their body care. They just got it all, honey, and they're from France, so you know they're good. Again, another little add-on, a little stocking stuffer, a little hang on the tree little moment. Here we have some of their bestseller, the shower almond oil. If you haven't tried this, it's so good. Here we have a lotion, and we have a little hand and nail cream. These are all staples, again, for toiletry, travel, or even to have on the go. They're known for their hand cream, so if you have someone in your life that just loves hand creams, maybe a grandma, an aunt, someone like that, of that relative zone, I think it's a great gift. Like, I will give my grandma this. I actually am. Here we have a full-size lotion. Here we have a cuticle oil, a nail file, and a hand cream. Here we have a body care collection. This seems like a good one because it says the almond one. So yeah, this is actually gonna be pretty good. Oh my god, now this is a good one because it has like full-size products in here. So here we have the milk concentrate. It is an almond oil lotion with the hand cream. Here we have the oil and the shower oil. So this is a whole bath situation, like a starter kit for someone that's always want to try L'Occitane and you want to just experience the whole range of products. Last but not least, we have this one. I believe it's mainly skincare. Oh, honey, it is. Here we have a mousse cleanser. Here we have a lotion, a youth oil, and a youth cream. This is for wrinkles, and this is to keep your skin nice and vibrant. This is more for like, I feel like mature skin too, or like someone like in their 30s, a really nice elevated gift. I feel like L'Occitane is also good to give for like white elephant or like work events or like a girl's night. It's giving very girl chic wine night coated. So that was it for my holiday gift set gift guide. I hope you guys get some inspo from all these gift sets. Buy them for someone else, buy them for yourself, or just be like, oh, I could get something like that. So that's all I'm here for, is to just share with you guys all the beauty stuff and all that's popping and happening. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to keep up with me. Make sure to go there to check out the giveaway, see what products I'm giving away from this whole assortment. Just a nice way for me to give back to you guys. Everything that I mentioned will be listed down below in the description box with their links and everything you need to know. Let me know if you guys would like me to do a gift guide for yourself, or like different gift guides of gifts that I would like repurchase for myself, like a different kind of gift guide with things that I own. I would love to do that with you guys, probably promptly, because if you're a late shopper, you probably haven't started yet. So let me know if that's something you guys would like. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you in the next one.